Welcome students. Today we will see exercise 7.2. In that, question number 1. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So here there is a line. Coordinates of those lines are -1, 7 and 4, -3. Okay. So here this line is having, so we have to find out the coordinates of the point which divides. There is a one point, so that point coordinates we have to find out. So let us assume as xy, and this point will divide this line in the ratio of 2, 3, that is 2:3. Okay. So here to find the coordinates of this one, suppose if it is A and if it is B and if this point is P, then we have to find out this coordinates, that is P, that is we have assumed as x, y. So x, y coordinates can be calculated by using the section formula. So before going to see this one, we will have some glance over the section formula. So here the section formula can be derived by using this diagram. There is a line that is AB. So the coordinates of A are x1, y1 and the coordinates of B is x2, y2. And the point P with coordinates x and y is lying on this line in the ratio of m1 and m2. We will assume this as a n. Instead of m2, we will assume as m and n. So this is m and this is n. Okay. So now we will have some lengths here. So from this to this, that is OR is equal to x1. Because this point is x1, y1 means this is x1, this is y1. Okay. So up to this it is y1. And here this point xy means, so here up to this is y. Okay. This is y from this one. And here this is x. And here in the same way this is x2 and y2. So here this is x2 from this to this one. Here that is OT. OT is equal to x2. And here BT, that is from this to this. This is y2. So this is y2. Okay, from here. So now see, there is a line AB with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2, and there is a point P which divides this line in the coordinate with a coordinate of x and y and in the ratio of m and n. We have to find out this x and y coordinates. So now these lines are drawn here. Here this is the perpendicular lines we have extended here to the x-axis and also for the y-axis like this. So here by seeing this triangle and this triangle, see here this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. So you in the triangle APQ and BPC, APQ and PBC, this is in triangle APQ and PBC, we will observe that is the angle Q is equal to angle C. Okay. And you see here the angle A, that is angle A is equal to angle P. See, this is both are equal to 90 degree and this is they are alternate angles. So by AA similarity, so both triangles are similar. If both triangles are similar means the ratios of the sides are equal. Okay. So the ratios of the sides means this is AQ, or first we will take AP. So AP divided by PB is equal to AQ divided by PC, which is equal to PQ divided by BC. In this way the ratios are equal because both triangles are similar. So now we will see what is AQ. See here AQ is nothing but, here this is AQ. This distance is equal to this total distance x minus x1. So this is x minus x1. This is x minus x1. So PC is equal to what? See here PC means this one. Here x2 total distance minus x. Okay. This is x2 minus x. And next PQ, this value, this PQ. PQ means in the y coordinates. Here this one, this total value will be y minus y1. Okay, y minus y1. So then BC is equal to BC is equal to total is y2 minus y. y2 minus y. So we will substitute these values in these equations. So AP by PB, AP is nothing but M, PB is nothing but N. So M divided by N is equal to, so AQ is nothing but X minus X1. So divided by PC is X2 minus X, which is equal to PQ means Y minus Y1 divided by Y2 minus Y. Okay. So to find out the X coordinate, we have to take these two, and to find out Y coordinate, this and this we will take. So first we will find out the X coordinate. So here M into X2, this is cross multiplication, M into X2 minus X, that is M into X2 minus X is equal to N into X minus X1. So we have to find out X here. So here Mx2 minus Mx is equal to Nx minus N into X1. So here N will take this side. Here N into X is this. Nx. Mx2. Okay. This Nx1 I will take here. So plus N into X1. Okay. Is equal to Nx plus Mx. Okay. So here. Mx plus Nx is equal to Mx2 plus Nx1. Okay. Here X common will take, that is M plus N is equal to M into X2 plus N into X1. Okay. So X is equal to M into X2 plus N into X1 divided by M plus N. So this is the formula, that is X coordinate. And for the Y coordinates, we will take M by N and this one. So M into Y2 minus Y is equal to N into Y minus Y1. Okay. So My2 minus My is equal to Ny minus N into Y1. Okay. So here My, here we will send to RHS. So M into Y2, so this one plus N into Y1 is equal to Ny plus My. Okay. So here Y into M plus N. Okay. Here My2 plus Ny1. So here Y is equal to M into Y2 plus N into Y1 divided by M plus N. So this is the formula. So this is for Y coordinate. Okay. And this is for X coordinate. These two formulas we have to remember. So for remembering, what we have to do, first this ratio M we have to take, and the distant coordinate we have to multiply. M into X2 plus N into X1 divided by M plus N, like this. So we will solve first problem so that we can understand. So now come to this problem. So here we know that M is equal to 2, N is equal to 3. So in this way we can write, that is section formula, we know that is X coordinate, which is equal to M into X2 plus N into X1 whole divided by M plus N, and Y coordinate is equal to M into Y2 plus N into Y1 divided by M plus N. So here X and Y coordinate we have to find out. So X coordinate is equal to M into X2. So this 2 into X2. This is X1 Y1. Okay. This is X2 Y2. So now M into X2 means 2 into 4. 2 into 4 plus N into X1. This is 3 N. N means 3. 3 into minus 1. Okay. M plus N. That is 2 plus 3. So this is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 5. Okay. This is 5 divided by 5. So this is equal to 1. So X is equal to 1. So in the same way, Y is equal to M means 2. Y2 means here minus 3. Okay. Plus N means 3. Y1 means 7. Divided by 2 plus 3. So here minus 6 plus 7 3 is 21 divided by 5. So 21 minus 6 means 15 divided by 5. So 5 1s are 5 3s are. So this is equal to 3. So Y is equal to 3. So X and Y value you got, that is the P point lies with a coordinate P of 1, 3. So this is the solution. So find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3. So here this is, so here this is 4, minus 1. Okay. and here this is minus 2 comma minus 3. So now here what he has told, this is a trisection, means we have to divide this line in 3 equal parts. So that is this one and this one. Okay, so here 1 is to 1 is to 1, like this, so that this will be trisection. So first we will see this is A, okay, this is B, and point C and point D. So now we will calculate first this one, okay, C coordinates. So for calculating C coordinates, we will take this, assume as x comma y. Okay, so C x comma y means, so this section will be 1 ratio, and this section from C to B, this will be equal to 2, 1 plus 1, this is 2, this is 1 is to 2 now. Okay, so like that we will calculate this C coordinates first. So here for C coordinates, that is for C x comma y is equal to, so here x coordinate means m into x2. Here x1 y1 is this one and x2 y2 is this one. Okay, so here m means here 1. Okay, 1 into minus 2. So here m means 1. Here m is equal to 1. Okay, n is equal to 2. So now m means 1 into minus 2 plus n is 2 and 4, 2 into 4 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. This is x coordinate. Okay, y coordinate also we will write here, m, that is 1 into y2, that is minus 3, plus n 2 and here minus 1. Okay, divided by 1 plus 2. So this is x comma y coordinates. So here we will solve this one, minus 2 plus 8 divided by 3, and here minus 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, so 8 minus 2, 6 divided by 3. Here minus 3 minus 2 means minus 5 divided by 3. You see here minus 3 into 1, 3, minus 3, here minus 2. Okay, so like this, and this can be simplified, 3 ones are 3 2s are. So 2 comma minus 5 by 3, this is one coordinate, that is C coordinates. So now you have to find out this D coordinates. So here now we will assume this one as x comma y. So we will forget this one. This xy, instead of xy we will write as 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Okay, so we will write this one. This C coordinates we know. So C coordinates will be now 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Okay, so now we got A coordinates, B coordinates and C coordinates also. So we have to find out this one. So we can use this C and B also, and also A and B also. Okay, so now I will use C and B, and they are in the ratio of 1 1, that is m is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. So now here d of xy, so d of xy is equal to, so x coordinate here, this one, this is x1 y1 now. Okay, so this is x2 y2. So now m into x1, m into x2, that is 1 into x2, that is 1 into minus 2, okay, plus n into x1, that is 1 into 2, 1 into 2, divided by 1 plus 1, comma, so here m into y2, that is 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3, plus here 1 into minus 5 by 3, 1 into minus 5 by 3, okay. So whole divided by 1 plus 1. So I will remove this one. Okay, m and n we know. So here what we can do, minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will be equal to 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. Okay. So now minus 3 and here minus 5 by 3. Okay, divided by 2. So now here 0 comma, here we can take LCM in the numerator itself, 3 minus 9 minus 5 whole divided by 2. Okay, so this is equal to 0 comma, so here minus 14 by 3, minus 14 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, 2 7. So this is equal to 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So here these coordinates are 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Okay, these are the coordinates. Exercise 7.2 in that question number 3. See here, first we have to see what is the question. to conduct a sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Here this is a school ground ABCD, okay, rectangular. So lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. So here these lines have been drawn at 1 meter each. So the distance between this one will be 1 meters each. 100 flower plots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. So this along AD means it is in y-axis, I think. We can consider this as a y-axis. So AD 100 meter is there, because see 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter. So here 1 meter 1 flower pot, and second, third, fourth, like this 100 meter is there, and 100 flower pots are there, and they are kept at 1 meter each. Okay. So now Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. So from this point 1/4 of the distance she is running on the second line. So here second line and 1/4. So first we will calculate the coordinates of Niharika and in the second line and posts a green flag. And Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? So here the question is very easy. So here y-axis and this is x-axis. Okay. So only positive portion I have written. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So here 1 meter each it is marked. Okay. And in the Niharika, in the second line, she runs up to 1/4. This is 100 meter. Okay. This is 100 meter. And each 1 meter, 1 flower pots are there. Okay. So here 1/4 of the distance means. So we will calculate the coordinates first. First Niharika. For Niharika, so x coordinates is 2. Okay. So 2 lines, in the second line she is running. Okay. Now 1/4 of the total distance. Total distance is 100 meter. So this is equal to 1/4 means 25th. So at 25 meters. So Niharika x comma y coordinates will be equal to 2 comma 25. Okay. So here 2 and 25. Here this is 25. Okay. So this is which flag it is? She posts a green flag. Okay. Here green flag is there. And next Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD in the 8th line. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th. So assume this is the 8th run and this is 1/4. So here for Preet, okay, for Preet 1/5 of the total distance, that is 100, which is equal to 20 meters. So here x comma y coordinates will be for Preet. So 8th line and 20 meter. Okay. So here 8th line and 20 meter. Here red flag. So now we have to find out the distance between this. This is green flag and this is red flag. Okay. This distance we have to find out. And after that, here Rashmi, she want to post a blue flag exactly at the halfway this one. So this also we have to find out. That is, this is blue flag. So first we will calculate this distance. Okay. So now we got these coordinates. Here this is 2 comma 25. Okay. And here this is 8 comma 20. So now the distance between these 2 points will be, that is same by using distance formula. Distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. That is 8 minus 2 square plus 20 minus 25. Okay. Square. So this is equal to 8 minus 2 means 6 square plus 5 square. This is 20 minus 25 means minus 5 square means minus 5 square. Okay. So here square root of 36 plus 25. So which is equal to square root of, say, 1, 6. So this is root 61. So this is equal to square root of 61. So units. Okay. Here units they have given. square root of 61, this is meters, because they have mentioned all the units in the meters. Okay, square root of 61 meters. So now, okay, so we got the this one, we got the distance. Now Rashmi has to place blue flag. So now we have to find out the coordinates for Rashmi, that is coordinates for Rashmi is equal to, see here, we know these two coordinates, that is 225 and 820. So the coordinates midpoint is nothing but, so the coordinates x comma y is equal to x2 plus x1 divided by 2 for x coordinate and y2 plus y1 divided by 2. This is midpoint there. This is midpoint. So here x2 plus x1 means 8 plus 2 divided by 2, and here 20 plus 25 divided by 2. Okay. So here 8 plus 2 means 10 divided by 2, and here 45 divided by 2. So which is equal to 5 comma 22.5. So now where she has to flag, see 5 comma 25, 5 comma 22.5. So means, so this blue flag, so here this blue flag has to host at, this is fifth line. See 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. This is fifth line and at 22.5 meters. So 5 comma 22.5. Okay. In the fifth line 22.5 meters she has to post, so that it will be exactly halfway between these two. So here find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10, 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. So here he has given 2 points. Okay. So -3, 10 and 6, -8. And at one place the coordinate of another point is -1, 6. So here it is divided. So we will give A, B and C. Okay. So now what we have to calculate? We have to find the ratio in which this line segment is, in which this point is dividing. That is, we have to find out this MN ratio. So for that we will assume this as K and this is 1. Anything. One you have to assume as 1 and another you can assume any variable value. Anything. So now we will see. So the coordinate of this one we know that. So -1 comma 6, which is equal to, that is xy. Here xy coordinate is equal to m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. This is the formula, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. This is the formula. Okay, this we know. So now here whatever the given values xy here is given, that is -1 comma 6, and here we will substitute m. In place of m we have assumed as a k x2. Okay, k into x2 means we have got the value. So here m means k here, k into x2. X2 is here, this is x1, this is y1. So this is x2, this is y2. Okay, so x2 means 6, k into 6 plus n into x1. N means 1 here, 1 into here x1 -3. Okay, -3 divided by m plus n, that is 1 plus k or k plus 1, and m into y2, k into -8 plus n into y1, that is 1 into here 10, 1 into 10 divided by k plus 1 or 1 plus k. So this one. So now we will solve this one. -1 comma 6 is equal to 6k minus 3 divided by 1 plus k, comma minus 8k plus 10 divided by 1 plus k. So now we will equate these coordinates. See, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate, and this is x coordinate, y coordinate. So x coordinate will equate to this one and y coordinate will equate to this one. So 6k minus 3 divided by 1 plus k is equal to minus 1. Okay. So 6k minus 3 is equal to minus 1 minus k. So this minus k will take to LHS side. 6k plus k is equal to minus 1 plus 3. Okay. 7k is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 by 7. Okay. So here in the same way you can see here minus 8k plus 10 divided by 1 plus k will equate to 6 here. Minus 8k, okay, plus 10 is equal to 6 plus 6k. So here 6k will take here, minus 8k minus 6k is equal to 6 minus 10. Okay, so minus 14k is equal to minus 4. So k is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 14. So here 2 and 7. So this is also is equal to 2 by 7. So both are okay. That is k value is equal to 2 by 7. So this is 2 by 7 and this is 1. So their ratio is here 2 by 7 is to 1. Here this ratio can be written in this way, or also we can multiply this ratio for 7. So that what happens, 2 by 7 into 7 is to 1 into 7. So this can be 7 cancel. So this is 2 is to 7 also we can write. So this is also same. So in this ratio, this point will be divides these 2 points. Okay. So here find the ratio in which the line segment joining A of 1 comma minus 5 and B of minus 4 5 is divided by the x-axis. So here this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay. 1 comma minus 5, here 1 minus 5, here maybe here, and minus 4 5, this is point A, and B is minus 4 5, this is minus 4 and 5 maybe here. Okay, this is point B. Okay, so the line joining here AB. So this line will cuts the x-axis, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, so here this is cuts the x-axis. So when it cuts the x-axis, the coordinates will be here x comma 0, because y value will be 0 here in the x-axis. So now here A coordinates he has given, that is 1 minus 5 and here minus 4 5. Okay. So now what we have to calculate, find the coordinates of the points of the division here, these coordinates. Okay. So now we will use the section formula x comma 0. And here the ratio also he has not given. Again we will assume as k and 1. In this ratio it is dividing. So now we know that x comma 0, here this is coordinates, and this the formula will be m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. Okay, so here we know the value of this one, y coordinate. X coordinate value we don't know. Okay, so we will consider this value, that is this and this. Okay, m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n equal to 0. This we will consider because we don't know this value. Okay, so here 0 is equal to this, we will take m means k into y2 means this minus 5. Okay, plus n means 1 into y1 means 5 divided by m plus n means 1 plus k. Okay, so here we will cross multiplication this one. So minus 5k plus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 5k equal to minus 5. So k is equal to minus 5 divided by minus 5. Okay, minus 5, this is answer. So k is equal to 1. So k value we got. So then now we can consider this one and this one. Okay, so we will consider this one, x and this one, x coordinates. So x is equal to m means here k. So k means value 1 we got into x2. x2 means here 1. Okay, 1 into 1. So plus n means 1. Okay, into n into x1. x1 is minus 4 here. Okay, minus 4. So divided by 1 plus k, that is 1 plus 1. K value is 1 here. So x is equal to 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. So this is x value, and y value 0 we got already. So this coordinate is, so minus 3 by 2 comma 0. This is the x coordinate. So that's what he has asked. Find the coordinate of the point of division. This is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Okay.